हाय गाइस, दिस इज शांतनु। सो वेलकम टू योर चैनल। आज हम लोग जाएंगे, हम लोग रिव्यू करेंगे, रादर वी टॉक अबाउट नेक्सन। कैसे है ये नेक्सन, कैसे मॉडिफिकेशन दैट वी हैव डन, व्हाट आर द चेंजेस एंड व्हाट कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व, कितना खर्चा हुआ है, क्या कहाँ पे क्या खर्चा किए, क्या एक्स्ट्रा लगवाए, व्हाट्स द बेस मॉडल। दिस इज़ अ बेस मॉडल बाय द वे, दिस नेक्सॉन XC डीजल। ऑलराइट एंड अभी इसका करीब 5 months, it's only 5 months old, 5 or 6 months old. And so we'll talk about it, we'll talk about what are the changes we have done. And let's see, I'll quickly show you. One second. आप देख सकते हो, this is our Nexon. From the front till the end I'll show you first how does it look, and then we'll talk about it. We'll talk about the changes, the modification I have done, and also कितना क्या सर्विस देता है, what are the mileages it's giving, how is the comfort of driving it, and of course we'll talk about the cost on the service itself, because almost I have been driving it for past 5 months, and if I talk about how much I drove in 5 months, it's almost 12,000 kilometers that I have till I'm still driving it, and I'm loving it. Rather, the suspension quality of this car, it's awesome. I have done a lot of road trips, so I can tell you the suspension quality, the build quality, the drivability, it's awesome. I maximum मैंने अभी तक इसको 190 में चलाया in Taj Express Highway, which is quite awesome. Stability, you won't feel any vibration on this car. Alright, now we'll talk about the modification I have done, and first of all, this is, as I said, ये Nexon की base model है diesel variant में. So since it's a diesel variant, obviously, and in Tata you will get lot of noise, engine noise, but trust me guys, you hardly get any noise inside the boot. The boot inside, if you get into the boot, you won't get any noise, especially if you start the music as well. So now from the front, if you talk about from the front, you can see the logo, that extra logo, we have fitted this one. It cost me around I guess 300 rupees. Okay, and as you see from the front, you can see an extra grill, or that's called ABS guard. This one, this ABS from on the front and the back, total ABS, it cost me around 8,000 rupees. See, this is an ABS car, right? You should not rather use that steel guard. अगर आप steel guard use करोगे, that will give you a problem, because आपका ABS, आपका सिर्फ airbag सब नहीं open होगा if you have any kind of crash or any kind of accident. Alright, now let's talk about the as I said, we'll talk about the modification we have done. In Nexon base model, you will get normal halogen bulb. Here also you'll get halogen bulb, and you won't get any fog light. So I have made the changes. This is an HID I have installed of HID I have installed. I have installed an LED over here. यहाँ पे you can see that IPH projector as well. I'll show you the light condition. I mean, how bright is it during the night condition, because day में आपको अगर light दिखाऊंगा तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा कितना bright है, because it's awesome, giving me good output when I'm driving in pitch black. You can see that as well. I have done some modification here. Roof wrapping करवाया, because it comes only one color. I have made it dual tone color. As in top model it looks. So yeah, roof wrapping here, it's quite amazing, the work that I have done, and it's cost around I guess the roof wrapping, it costing me I think 10,000 rupees. It's because I have done it from very good company, which is the fitment is very good, the quality is very good, there is no bubble wrap. You can see that it's quite good finish, no issues with that. Almost 5 months gone. I also मैंने ये भी install करवाया, because in base model you won't get any antenna, neither you get any shark fin as well. So ये shark fin antenna का काम नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ पे, because ये only just लगा दिया है just for show, just अच्छा दिखने के लिए. Now talk about the back side. In back side I didn't do any changes. सिर्फ वो जो we'll talk as I said, like मैंने लगवाया extra ABS guard as in front as in back. And you can see this is the parking sensor given by company itself. It works quite good, gives a good noise when you get close to anyone. And this is the camera which I have installed. I'll talk about the brand of the camera and everything which I have installed. I'll talk about the brand, all the electric goods, so you can get clear idea about it and the price as well. So you can do it by you can choose for yourself as well, and when you will see the output during night. Now आप ये देख सकते हो यहाँ पे मैंने जो लगवाया this one rim guard. It cost me only 1600 rupees. The color is pretty good. However, I am planning to make it, install alloy wheel soon, because alloy gives a really good look on the car. And really trust me guys, this road clearance, this ground clearance is awesome in this car. You know, in Indian road condition, if you go through Bihar, Jharkhand, you will get potholes like such a big potholes you won't believe. But this car it won't feel you anything. You won't feel anything inside the car. Now I'll quickly show you the inside of the car. If you talk about the inside, ज़्यादा कुछ changes किया नहीं inside में. दो see the seat cover. See the branding of the seat cover, it's IND. Quite good finish. See, it's the fittings of the seat cover, it's good. You feel comfortable. अच्छा लगता है जब आप देखने को लगेगा ये सीट कवर अच्छे से फिट हुआ है, तब आपको गाड़ी का लुक भी बहुत चेंज हो जाता है. एंड ऑब्वियसली आई हैव फिटेड द स्टीयरिंग व्हील कवर, जो अच्छा लगता है, आपको पकड़ने में अच्छा लगेगा, तो आपको ड्राइव करने में बहुत अच्छा लगेगा उसके ऊपर. विल टॉक अबाउट द म्यूजिक सिस्टम लेटर. दिस इज एन बेड मैंने खरीदा ये अमेजोन से बिकॉज ऑफ माई सन. ही इज ओनली 3.5 years old and he do all the road trips with me, so that's for him. Again, bucket cover, the seat cover, as I said, it's a good fitting seat cover. It cost me 7,000 rupees. मैंने ज़्यादा मुझे फंकी लुक अच्छा नहीं लगता, so I have gone for a decent black and white finish. Also ये लगवाया था मैं, which is working but not so good. ये सही नहीं था, ये लाइट इसका ख़राब हो गया. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे भी जल रहा है. या अगेन एज आई सेड एट द वेरी बिगिनिंग, जैसे मैंने बोला था आप लोगों को, ये XE है. दिस इज Nexon XE. सो यू वोंट गेट पावर विंडो एट द बैक. आई हैव इंस्टॉल्ड इट फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपको मैनुअल विंडो मिलता है जो रोल वाला, बट आई वोंट, मतलब मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली. सो मैंने ये लगवाया बाहर से. यू कैन सी द ब्रांड. इट्स गुड, इट्स वर्किंग फाइन. और आप पूछोगे तो इतना कुछ कर ही लिया तो बेस मॉडल क्यों खरीदा? ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ बाइंग द रीज़न ऑफ द बाइंग ऑफ बेस मॉडल, बिकॉज आपको पता है नेक्सॉन का वेटिंग पीरियड कितना है. इट्स रियली ऑलमोस्ट 3 months ऑफ वेटिंग पीरियड एंड आई डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम. सो इसलिए मैंने ये खरीदा, बिकॉज दिस टाइम जब मैंने खरीदा था, आई हैव चेक दी व्हाट आर द कार्स आर अवेलेबल इन पुणे, बिकॉज पुणे ये कार मैन्युफैक्चर होता है नेक्सॉन. तो पुणे में वेयर हाउस में जो अवेलेबिलिटी था उसके हिसाब से मैंने लिया ये कार, एंड देन आई हैव डन ऑल द मॉडिफिकेशंस. सो नाउ टॉक अबाउट द फ्रंट. सी, मैंने ये आर्मरेस्ट लगवाया. वेरी गुड, इट्स रियली गिव यू अ गुड फीलिंग. इट्स लॉन्ग, नॉट श्योर दैट यू कैन नॉट कीप योर हैंड. इट्स लॉन्ग, यू कैन कीप योर हैंड एंड यू कैन ड्राइव, बिकॉज मोस्टली मैं एक हाथ से ड्राइव करता हूँ. मैं आई डोंट यूज़ द सेकेंड हैंड in steering. So that's why it gives me good comfort. I'm sure you can buy it. It's easily available from Amazon, and the fitting, it's really very easy. You can go to any shop, any car shop, and they will fit it, and you can do it by yourself as well. But मैंने एक जहाँ से करवाया था, गाड़ी का काम वहीं से करवाया इसको. ये armrest मुझे लगा almost 800 rupees, only 800. I got it from Amazon. You can also get it. And talk about the Android system. ये लगवाया मैंने, Harman का है ये. ये कॉस्ट आया था समथिंग अराउंड आई गेस 11,000. ये 2 GB का रैम है, 16 GB इंटरनल मेमोरी है इसका. बिकॉज मैंने इस पर ज़्यादा कुछ इंस्टॉल किया नहीं, सो ये अभी हैंग नहीं करता है. इफ़ टॉक अबाउट दी एज ए सेट, मैंने बैक में कैमरा लगवाया था, आपको दिखाया था जब. सो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कैमरा की क्वालिटी कैसा है. See, this is the camera quality. Clear quality. Now talk about the brand. Camera. कैमरा लगाया मैं टॉर्क्यू का GA99 है. इसका वारंटी कार्ड है ये 1 साल का. ये रियली बहुत ही अच्छा देता है. 5 महीने हो गया एंड द क्वालिटी इज़ रियली गुड. ड्यूरिंग नाइट एज वेल यू विल फाइंड रियली गुड क्लैरिटी. एंड मैंने जैसे आपको बोला था कि मैंने बाहर लाइट लगवाया है, तो जो LED लगवाया है हेडलाइट पे, दैट्स फ्रॉम ब्लॉपंक. एंड दिस इज़ द LED ऑफ ब्लॉपंक विच इज़ रियली ऑसम. 6000 केल्विन का ही है ये. बहुत ही ब्राइट है एंड गिव्स रियली गुड विजिबिलिटी. इसका कॉस्ट आया था समथिंग अराउंड 6000. एंड ऑस्ट्रॉम का LED लगवाया है, HID लगवाया है ऑस्ट्रॉम का हेडलाइट पे. उसका वारंटी कार्ड अभी मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है. एंड नाउ टॉक अबाउट दी नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट द म्यूजिक सिस्टम आई हैव इंस्टॉल्ड इन दिस कार. सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द म्यूजिक सिस्टम, सामने और पीछे मतलब दोनों दरवाज़ों पे मैंने लगवाया Harman Infinity. This is the one which I have installed. That's really awesome sound quality. I am totally satisfied with that. And also the reason behind the awesome sound quality, because in a Harman Infinity it's a start model of Harman. Harman का जो starting है, that's his Infinity. उसके बाद बहुत मॉडल है उसका. So I have installed the starting version of Harman. See, Harman Infinity अच्छा साउंड क्वालिटी देता है. रीज़न बिहाइंड इट, मैंने एक 2 चैनल का एम्प लगवाया है जो मेरे सीट के नीचे है, अंडर सीट लगवाया है. सोनी के 2 चैनल एम्प. आई विल शो यू दैट एज वेल. फॉर दैट एम्प आई एम गेटिंग रियली गुड साउंड क्वालिटी. ऑल्सो आफ्टर मार्केट मैंने पावर लॉक लगवाया, सेंट्रल लॉक लगवाया, बिकॉज बेस मॉडल में तो आता नहीं है ये सब. इट ओनली गिव्स यू 2 keys, द मैनुअल कीज, एंड यू कैन यूज इट. सो आई विल शो यू द अंडर सीट. ओह, इट्स लॉक्ड फ्रॉम हियर. सो आई विल शो यू द अंडर सीट एम्प. ऑलराइट गाइस, सो अभी हम लोग साउंड क्वालिटी देखेंगे कैसा है इस गाड़ी का. एंड ऑब्वियसली आई विल स्टार्ट द इंजन. यू विल सी, आई मीन आपको सुनेंगे आप कैसे इसका साउंड अंदर आता है. इंजन का बहुत ही कम आता है, दो इट्स अ डीजल इंजन. सी, आई हैव जस्ट टर्न ऑन इट. आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ मच यू कैन एक्सपीरियंसिंग फ्रॉम दिस माइक, बट हार्डली आई एम गेटिंग एनी नॉइज. द वाइब्रेशन इज़ वेरी मच मिनिमल. वाइब्रेशन कुछ भी आता नहीं है अंदर. एंड लेट्स प्ले अ सॉन्ग. Alright guys, if you check the Odo, अभी तक मैंने ड्राइव किया 11,000, I'm sorry, 11,676 kilometers. Alright, and if you talk about the real time mileage, this is the city mileage I'm getting. See, 173 kilometers and 17.3 totally on AC. This is the AC mileage I'm getting. Because अभी गर्मी आ गया है, so have to run AC every time right now अभी भी चल रहा है AC. You see the interior, it's very much normal. There is nothing that's been given by Tata. However, it's a decent look. I like it. It's subjective, you know, look is subjective. Obviously, few might not like it, but I like the way it is because it's very, very basic. And it's मुझे सब कुछ easily adjust हो जाता है यहाँ पे. Now, if you talk about the music system, so let's play some soundtrack. Alright, so abhi let's play a soundtrack and see how is it working. I mean, how the sound quality. As I said, I have Harman Infinity Sony 2-point channel amp, and let's increase the volume.
Stepping up to the competition. Only first place in this how I'm living. I'm with it till they dig it up my brain. Eating all the dicks up on my plate. Game face when I step up in the place. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So this is everything about Nexon from my end till now. If I talk about drivability, really आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा drive करने में because it's give you high end service. Also the ground clearance is very good, so you won't feel any small potholes and all. आप speed से भी चला सकते हो, आप stable भी चला सकते हो. And the good thing is the more speed you gain, the steering will be more tight. It's security features of this car, so you will feel more stability while you're driving on high speed. And obviously, as I said, you can rely on Tata because I know mostly people don't rely on Tata because of it won't give good. I mean, the reputation अच्छा नहीं है small car में. However, it's improving and we should give a try because see, if we talk about the Safari, the old Safari, which is really a awesome car, so why shouldn't we try it? Anyway, so it's really subjective. I'm not asking you to try Tata, but I can assure you, you will get good service. If I talk about the service stations, how they behave with you, they behave good. Till now, I have got really good behavior from them. Service cost is really minimal. You won't have to pay much like normal cars that you have to pay anything during your warranty period. Also, I have extended my warranty as well because I know I will drive this car a lot. Still, I am driving. You can see only in 5 months I drove around 11,000 kilometers plus 11,000 kilometers. So obviously, I drive a lot. So that's why I increased my warranty. It was given 3 years by the company itself. So I've increased 2 years again. I'm sorry, 2 years by default it's 2 years from the company, and मैं उसको 2 साल और increase किया. Till 4 years I have the warranty of this car now. And again, if you talk about the space, it's really good. It's good space. You know, you have seen it. You have seen in other videos as well. Other video में आप देख ही चुके हो this. It's really good space in back seat as well. It's not like Ciaz, of course. It's not a sedan car. It's a compact SUV. So in a compact SUV, you will get really. पीछे आप 3 बंदे comfortably बैठ सकते हैं. 3 adult can sit easily. 4 obviously they can sit, but a bit tight will be there. and of course the AC quality is really good because in really good humid, on temperature on 37 degree right now in here, and the AC mode is only on second speed. I still have third and fourth left. I don't have to use it because अच्छा ठंडा होता है, बहुत अच्छा chilling होता है, and I don't feel any lag in this car. So you can think about it. Thank you very much for watching my video.